Welcome to Hyatt House Galleria, Houston, a handsome student haven designed with elite taste. Only for you. Your sleek new non-ensuite cradles a warm bed for the coziest of sleeps and a full furnished, stocked kitchen because inconvenience and hunger are not invited here. Don't worry about water, electricity and speedy Wi-Fi. Your rent covers every essential you need. Hey fitness freaks! There's an action-ready gym curated for your workouts and a sparkling pool to enjoy energising laps whenever you please. Laundry facilities are available on site, so you can forget about tiring laundromat hauls. Check it out! Weekly housekeeping for hygiene, free breakfast for added advantage, and dedicated parking for your wheels to rest. Everything's available at your fingertips. You're placed just moments from Houston Community College System and Rice University, so class is always just a quick drive away. Travel around and beyond with ease. Just catch a bus from Sage Road or Richmond Avenue, or get the train at Houston Amtrak Station. Claim your spot at Hyatt House Galleria before it's gone. Visit amberstudent.com now